Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. My name is Chef Fran, and this is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we are making one of your fave comfort foods. And it's called
lasagna.
Lasagna. But not just any lasagna.
No.
We're doing a 3 meat, and you can say 3 cheese. Well, you know, 2 cheeses usually typically come with lasagna. Well, maybe 3 if you add parmesan. So, but the star of the show is the fact that you have your ground beef, or you can use ground turkey or ground chicken, whichever you prefer. Or if you are a vegetarian, then you won't use any meat at all.
That's true.
You could use just your straight veggies. And then you have pepperoni. We have turkey pepperoni, and we have beef kielbasa. And our meat must be seasoned with some great aromatics of our onions and our garlic. And of course, we gotta have our Montreal steak seasoning.
Mama's favorites.
Gotta have my other favorite little thing here called smoked paprika.
Yes.
And you can't be making an Italian dish without some Italian seasoning and some onion powder and garlic powder. Even though you have the fresh onions and garlic, give it a little bit more flavor with some onion powder and you know, garlic powder.
Some basil.
We have fresh basil as well. And then we have our pasta sauce. Now you can make your sauce from scratch, but we don't have time.
No.
Okay.
Right now.
But I do believe in taking a store-bought sauce and making it your own. So you can add your own flavors to that. We have a little brown sugar to tone down the acid from the pasta sauce because we have acid reflux.
Yes, we do right here.
So that helps tone down the acid in that. And then we have our spinach that's going to get mixed in with our ricotta cheese.
Yes, we do.
And our egg to bind it. 1 egg to bind it.
Yes.
And we're going to mix that together. And then we have, you know, our shaved parmesan as well as our shredded parmesan to top off our dish. And we can't forget our noodles. Now, a lot of people tend to use the no-bake noodles because it's quicker, it's faster. But these were baked. I mean, these were actually boiled and, you know, drained. And so we have our lasagna noodles here. But no-bake works just as well. So we're going to get into our vitamin content.
Yes, we will.
Here's our vitamin content. Down in my casserole dish. And I'm going to start putting my noodles. And Ian is taking care of our ricotta, our spinach, and we're using the eggs to bind.
I'm going to put some more ricotta in there.
Okay.
Get it all together.
So Ian is going to show you the fancy stuff he's doing. So I'm actually putting 2 layers just because the lasagna is going to be kind of heavy and just to kind of give it that support. This one is not totally 100% behaving, but we're going to use it. Though it ripped a little bit. It wants to be temperamental.
All right.
So Ian has our spinach, our egg, and our ricotta mixed up.
Yeah.
I am now starting with our first layer of meat here. Now, I am, and again, it's your preference or what you can afford, but I am a true lover of fresh mozzarella cheese.
Definitely fresh mozzarella.
So
You're going to shred it up?
I am going to shred it up.
Okay.
Pieces. And then we're going to put in, we're going to let you do the ricotta.
Okay.
Okay. So let's spread the love with the cheese here. And our cheese is open. The other cheeses, we're going to put some basil on here. Let's get some of our basil leaf and throw it on here.
Got it. There you go. One more.
And just going to cut off the ends.
Okay.
You know, and just layer, just kind of like scatter around a little bit on my mozzarella here.
Make it with love.
Okay.
Okay.
So you do the ricotta.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's about enough there. Layer the first layer.
So give me more.
Yeah. Okay.
Get some here. Get some here. Okay. A little bit there.
That's where I was going next.
You should be, able to smooth it. Here we go. We're gonna now put our other layer here, because we gotta get our sausage down here. All right, Ian?
There you go.
All right.
Have fun with the sausage.
Okay. I actually had put some meat sauce, and Ian had put some of our sausage that we had made, but we realized we have a little bit of gaps in here.
Right.
And again, we don't want anything to go to waste, right, Ian?
Nothing goes to waste.
Because everything is so expensive.
Yes, it is.
In general, and even more so nowadays. So I'm gonna cover every hole, Ian, and you'll go back and
Layer
cover
on top.
right with some more sausage that we
yeah.
can have here. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get over
Right
here,
there.
and then I'm going to get the cheese on it.
Yeah. You get the cheese ready.
And then we'll push it down so we can get our last layer, because we got to get our pepperoni in here.
And the shredded cheeses. And the other
Oh
cheeses.
yeah. Okay. Now, E.
Some more of this.
Mm-hmm. Now let's get our lasagna noodles. Okay. What I'm gonna do is kind of tuck my noodles.
Tucked in. Yeah.
Try to tuck it in.
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead, E.
Okay, now?
Yep.
Okay.
There you go.
Mhm.
Do your pepperoni,
Yeah.
and then we'll do the other cheeses. All right, yeah, let's do the basil.
Okay, here you go.
All right, E, so get your cheeses ready.
Mm.
There you go.
Thank you. All right.
Okay, we're good, babe.
Okay.
All right, so Ian's gonna put this in the oven.
Yes.
Make this down, like I
We're
said,
going for what degree?
400 for 30 minutes, because it's just really to kind of melt the cheese, because everything else
Hang on.
in here is cooked.
And here are a list of ingredients.
Well, E,
Mmm.
look at our wonderful masterpiece,
It is beautiful.
our homemade lasagna.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Oh yes. I don't know where to start. The cheese and oh my gosh.
Oh, it's a
Definitely,
dance for me.
definitely a party in your mouth. Definitely. I got all types of flavors kicking it.
Yes, yes.
Oh my god.
The sauce is delicious. Oh my gosh, so good. The freshness of the basil,
Yeah.
the fresh mozzarella.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing like it.
Okay.
Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets Ian,
Yes.
let's call myself Ian, huh? Lets Ian and myself know that you're enjoying what we're doing. Thank you again for spending time with us today. We really do appreciate it. We love you guys.
Yes, we
Bye.
do.